Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Let's see how you're feeling, Sagittarius, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin. Let's begin your reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again with me. I'm very, very grateful. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and for me this will be person A, this will be person B. If this is your storyline, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So, all right. No talkie. Let's see what action you'll take and what action you'll take. All right, so right now there could be a little bit of problem in communication, not talking to each other, or barely any communication, Sagittarius. So what do I see here? Person A is showing up as the King of Wands. They do have a lot of passion for person B, but they seem to be looking away from the connection, in the sense this is the kind of person who has a lot of passion, lot of drive. They have a lot of plans in their life, but they don't seem to be really participating as such, or want to participate in this connection. There's something amiss here. Let's see person B. Person B has... just give me 1 second. Okay, person B knows or wants them to make a choice or a decision. Maybe ask them to make a choice or a decision, and maybe it wasn't reciprocated very well, or maybe there is no message that's come back or no news that's come back to them for whatever decision they wanted them to make. I don't know. I'm going to clarify these cards later, Sagittarius. Let's see what really is going on. But before that, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other. Since I see you, there's barely any communication between the two of you. If you could talk to each other, what that would be. Okay. Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Sagittarius and their person. All right. Okay, Saggis, let's start your reading. And Saggis, if any of you are looking for a personal read, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card, Sagittarius, here says, this lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next time. That's the feeling I was getting from person A's end. Let's see. The journey has been difficult, but needed. I'm proud of who I've become. You've helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. I fell so deeply in love with you. Secretly doing things behind your back. I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. And the last card here, Sagittarius, says, it's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. So these were some of your messages, Sagittarius. If these resonate with your storyline, let's move on to the reading and see what it has to say to us. Before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have to say for this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius, please. You found it. Now, I don't know who's found what here, Sagittarius, but somebody's found something. Somebody's come to maybe some conclusion, or I don't know what somebody's found, but maybe one person has and the other hasn't. Let's clarify. Let's find out. All right. So, Sagittarius, for person A, Spirit, why is there a King of Wands here with the Sun card in reverse? King of Wands. King of Wands, King of Wands, okay, and the Sun card in reverse. I think this King of Wands, heart of hearts, is a nice person, except that they are quite stressed as well. They're quite stressed. They're not very happy themselves. They are also having sleepless nights because they know that them not making a choice or not making a decision is not the right thing to do. Maybe they know that they're doing something which is not justice, right? Maybe that's why they're not communicating, because they feel maybe ashamed of themselves, or they're feeling bad about not making a decision, or they know that if they do talk, then they may have to make a decision. So this person is also not very happy, I would say. They also have sleepless nights and guilt and whatever. I don't know what's going on in this dynamic, but they're not happy either. They know that by not making a decision or saying no, they're doing something wrong here. Sun card in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they are feeling a bit ashamed and embarrassed at maybe not making a choice, or the choice that they've made which has hurt their partner probably. They are a little ashamed and embarrassed of their own choice, I think. So what was that choice, Spirit? What was that choice? What happened in the recent past? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. They maybe wanted to keep it a passionate connection. Maybe they wanted to just leave it to fun and passion, but offer very little maybe, and not offer the full, that Two of Cups, that I love you, you love me, and we live together, and I marry you, or something like that. They never respected, or they never gave that complete offer. Maybe they were attracted, maybe they wanted, they wanted a friendship, but not the full Monty, the full love and togetherness, and you're my wife, I'm your husband kind of a, yes, they were attracted, they know that there was a strong connection, and maybe whatever choice that they were asked to make, that stressed them out, because I don't think this person wanted to offer that. Nine of Swords, Spirit, what happened? Nine of Swords. So I have the Nine of Swords twice on their end. Yes, they were stressed about maybe offering a long-term partnership. This person feels guilty. They feel bad that, I have to say no, or I have said no, and I know that, my person feels that this is not the right thing. But they don't like it either. I mean, they're not really happy either. They do feel guilty. They do feel stressed. They can't sleep well at night because maybe now they've stopped communication. And the reason why they're not communicating is because of their own shame, their own embarrassment maybe, as to the choice that they've made. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? How do they feel about the connection or about person B? Two of Swords again in reverse. This person is very clear that they don't want to make a decision. They have chosen not to make a decision. They feel it's not going to work out in the long run, and any further investment made there would be maybe a waste of time or energy, or I don't think person A really wants to. They would rather keep it, imbalanced and up in the air, and as and when kind of a connection, from what I feel. Seven of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this person is a nice person. I mean, they don't mean any harm, but they're also very logical in their brain. They're trying to see, is it going to work out? They do feel very attracted to person B. They have good feelings towards person B. They find person B very sexy and very beautiful and sweet and charming, and all those things are there. But somewhere they are trying to do the right thing, which according to them is the right thing. Logically, what makes sense to them is what person A wants to do. And maybe they feel that, I won't be able to take this forward, so I might as well tell them now, or I don't know what. Yes, they want peace. They want peace, and maybe that's why they're quiet right now. They don't want to fight. They don't want to. They do love person B, but they hide their emotions because maybe they feel that's the right thing to do. Maybe they feel like I'm repeating myself. I know I'm struggling very hard. Like this person, I think, is also, they're stressed out at the same time. They feel this is the right thing to do, to tell person B that no, I cannot offer you long-term partnership, a long-time commitment, but I do care for you. Let's keep it light. I can't, take it to that level that you want. I think they've been very straightforward about it as well. There is love in this person's heart, but of a different kind, I would say. Yes, they feel it's better to end this now than to, bring any more pain to prolonging this connection. Even though they care about person B, I don't doubt that at all. But they're trying to do the right thing. And even though they think they want to do the right thing, they're still stressed that they may not be bringing justice or doing the right thing for person B. Or maybe they feel person B feels that they're doing injustice to them. Okay? So that makes them feel a little uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. So what action they will take now, I'll open later, Sagittarius. Let's go on to person B's side. Let's see how person B is actually feeling. The Lovers. What's this Lovers card, Spirit? For person B? Yes, they feel very attracted. They feel very attracted to person A, and they want them to make a choice. They want to come out of this confusion, and they want person A to choose them. Just choose me. And we have such a strong attraction, connection, everything. Why can't you just choose me? I mean, I'm always floating. I'm the Empress sideways. I mean, I'm neither your, the one, and neither do I not want to be the one. I'm always in between, not knowing where I stand. Page of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Page of Wands in reverse. Yeah, they feel that person is not messaging them because maybe they are being very self-centered or very selfish by not taking action. Person B is still kind of waiting. They're still waiting. Person B, even though there is no news, there is no action maybe from person A's side, person B still feels that I can endure this. I mean, I've tried it so many times. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm sure it's going to work, finally, and we will reach this 10 of Cups. I think person B is adamant that sooner or later things will work out. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be in this state? Page of Pentacles in reverse. So something came to a stagnancy here. Yeah, somebody may have refused a brand new beginning or a stable new start for the two of you. Person B probably felt angry. Yes, I was about to say that. Person B got their guard up. They may have asked that, hey, are you ever going to propose? Are we going to take this further? And they may have been refused that new beginning that they wanted. And that kind of made them very angry, made them very bitter. Queen of Swords in reverse, right? So they came out as Queen of Swords upright and then in reverse. That means they may have asked a few questions, and when this for a new beginning or a stable new beginning, but this was probably refused or said no to or something like that, which made person be very, very upset and very angry. So Queen of Swords in reverse, what do you want to say to us? Sorry, my throat is choking up. Yes, there was a fight here. There was a fight here because somebody got rejected or somebody was not given the offer that they wanted. They felt really bad, they felt abandoned, neglected, and that actually made them very angry and very mad. And there could have been words exchanged here as well when this conversation came up. How does person B now feel about this connection now, Spirit? Or person A? Two of Pentacles in reverse. Person B is sure, almost to a point of obsession, that the choice will be made one day. One day this back and forth energy will finish. This chapter is not shut yet. Whether they right now talking to me or not talking to me, I don't care. I know that this is my person, and one day that choice will be made. This back and forth will get over. Person B, I think, is still hoping that this tower, which has kind of erupted now, can be rebuilt. Tower in reverse, Spirit. Tower in reverse. Yes, this person is trying to see the connection from a higher point of view now. They feel sooner or later I will come out of this stuck place and my wishes will come true. So what action person B will take, I'll open later. Let's start with person A first. Person A, will you take action towards person B? Death in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the death card in reverse? Death card in reverse. Death card in reverse. They don't, person A, doesn't want things to change between the two of you. They don't like it that you guys are no longer friends. They do want to end this no talking thing. They do want to talk again to person B. They're wondering whether they do want to heal this connection. Let me put it this way. They do want to heal this connection, but they don't want things to change between the two of you. They feel they don't want to make any foolish choices which can eventually make them a loser in the long run. And right now, committing or proposing marriage or something, they feel is the unwise decision for them at the moment. Okay? But this person does want to speak up. They do want to heal the connection. They're not happy that you guys are not friends anymore. They feel, whatever has happened has backfired on them as well, because they're also having sleepless nights. But whatever said and done, person A is still kind of sticking to their guns because they don't want things, they like things the way they are. Person B, will you take any action? They also have the Three of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Oops. Too many cards. Why does person B have the Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Person B is saying that even though right now maybe there is no celebration, joy or coming back together, even though there may be a little bit of stagnancy right now, person B is still holding on to that dream that one day they will come back. They will come back and things will be put right. And what else? What else is person B is not happy at the moment. They're not happy at all. They're not happy at the stagnancy that's happened. They're not happy that person A has probably walked away from this connection. But will you take any action, person B? What action are you taking? No, they're not taking any action as such, but they're feeling quite bad. They're feeling quite bad. They're feeling there's no excitement left in life. They feel their offer hasn't come yet, but they're just holding on to that hope that one day things will be put right. So I'm going to ask once again for person A. Person A, will you take any action towards person B? I don't know. Person A is still kind of They're depressed, yes. They're feeling bad about whatever's happened here, Sagittarius. They feel that whatever they've done has kind of backfired on them because they lost a beautiful friendship or a connection. Person A does want to take action, and they might. Okay? They might come back, but they're coming back again in the Knight of Wands energy, which is exactly what they were in the past before this fight happened. Like I said, this person doesn't want things to change. They like person B, they love person B, but they want to keep it casual. They are not ready right now to offer a commitment. But they miss person B. I mean, what else can I say? Alright, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Person B is holding on to that hope yet, and who knows, miracles do happen. Person A can change their mind one day, but not as of now. I don't see it. They're still holding on to that very strong. Even though they're sad and depressed at losing person B, they still want to come back to person B as a Knight of Wands for passion, for fun, to become friends again, and just kind of be happy. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.